Did you know the Windows Pygame package wheel is nearly 10 MB? Do you remember the pain of Rpaudio? Sifting through pre-built wheels? Try Rpaudio, a tiny, dependency-free, Python audio library. Pygame's API actually isn't that bad, but why would you want to download an entire game dev library just to play some audio? Rpaudio, while has its place, is entirely too cumbersome if your goal is just simple audio player management. I mean, just look at the setup for a single audio file: play, pause, stop, an auto-playing cue, and even some simple assignable effects. What more could you want? Using a concurrency paradigm like async or threading? Cool, Rpaudio doesn't even care, it will work regardless, and is implemented the same in both cases. You can control fade in, fade out, and change speed audio parameters on a single audio object, but you can also assign the audio and effects to a channel to be applied autonomously. What's Rpaudio useful for? Anything that requires a simple audio interface. This could be Twitch bots, soundboards, line-accessible audio players, audio alerts, the list is endless. The audio control app featured in this short uses FastAPI, and Rpaudio is less than 300 lines of code, and is accessible over LAN via tablet, phone, or other device.